Hey there, sneaker lovers and luxury enthusiasts. Opulence King is here. Get ready to embark on a journey that will have your jaws dropping and your fashion fantasy soaring. Today, we're stepping into a world where sneakers aren't just footwear. They're status symbols, work of art, and the epitome of lavish living. Buckle up because we're about to dive into the breathtaking realm of the top 10 most expensive sneakers ever to grace this planet. Let's kick things off with the electrifying blast from the past that's igniting the present like a bolt of lightning. Picture this. You effortlessly slide your feet into the iconic Nike Mag Back to the Future sneakers. These aren't just shoes. They're a full throttle leap into the future, right from the comfort of the present. The visual resemblance to Marty McFly's legendary footwear is uncanny. But here's where the magic truly happens. Auto-lacing technology that seems straight out of the sci-fi playbook. Yes, you read that right. These kicks lace up on their own, giving you a taste of the tomorrow we've all been dreaming about. And guess what? This futuristic marvel comes with a price tag that matches its innovation. $76,925. These sneakers aren't just a fashion statement. They're a daring declaration of your love for innovation and style, all wrapped up in a pair of kicks that defy the boundaries of time. So get ready to strut into the future with every step. Because when you slip into the Nike Mag Back to the Future sneakers, you're not just wearing shoes. You're wearing a time-traveling testament to your passion for the extraordinary. Time to shift gears and step into the sophisticated world of luxury collaboration. Enter the Air Jordan 12 OVO, the result of a dynamic partnership between the Jordan brand and none other than rapper extraordinaire Drake. These sneakers exude class and are crafted from premium white leather, ensuring you make an unforgettable entrance. Valued at $100,000, these kicks aren't just shoes. They're an invitation to stand out and shine. Get ready to take a leap back in time and relive a defining moment in the world of sports with the remarkable Air Jordan 12 flu game. These sneakers transcend mere fashion. They're a powerful homage to one of Michael Jordan's most legendary feats. Picture this. The year is 1997. The stage is the NBA Finals, and Jordan, battling against a stomach virus, delivers an awe-inspiring performance that etched in basketball history. These kicks worn during the iconic flu game aren't just shoes you wear. They're a tangible connection to a time when an indomitable spirit and unwavering dedication defined sportsmanship. Intricately intertwined with Michael Jordan's legacy, the Air Jordan 12 flu game has rightfully claimed its place among the greats. Their value, a staggering $104,765, is a testament not just to their craftsmanship, but to the enduring spirit that elevated the game to new heights. With each step you take in these sneakers, you're not just making a fashion statement, you're embodying the resilience, determination, and greatness that defined one of the most iconic figures in sports history. So lace up, step into history, and walk in the footsteps of a legend because these sneakers are more than footwear. They're a living tribute to a timeless moment of athletic excellence. Are you enjoying our video? Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to show your support. Remember to also hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on our next videos. Are they sneakers or works of art? It's a valid question when you're talking about the Buscemi 100mm diamond sneakers. Imagine striding around with 11.5 carats of diamond set in 18-karat gold on your feet. These shoes redefine extravagance, and their $132,000 price tag is a testament to their rarity and brilliance. It's not just footwear, it's a dazzling expression of luxury. Let's rewind to a historic moment in sports: the 1984 Olympics, where Michael Jordan and Team USA clinched gold. Now imagine owning the very Converse Fast Break sneakers he wore on that court. Valued at $190,373, these shoes aren't just footwear. They're a tangible connection to a golden era of basketball. Speaking of golden moments, let's talk about the Jordan 1 Retro High Charlotte Hornets Foundation. Designed by none other than the basketball legend himself, Michael Jordan. These sneakers are the epitome of exclusivity. With only 300 pairs ever made, these $250,000 kicks aren't just shoes. They're a slice of sneaker history you can wear. Get ready for a tribute that fits for a basketball deity. The Air Jordan Retro Kobe Pack pays homage to the beloved Kobe Bryant. These replicas of the classic Air Jordan 3 and 8, adorned in LA Lakers colors, are a testament to Bryant's legacy. Valued at $800,000, these sneakers aren't just shoes. They're a heartfelt homage to a sporting legend. What do you think of our list so far? Do you think it's worth the price? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's fast forward to a truly historic and awe-inspiring moment in the annals of sneaker history: the Michael Jordan game-worn Nike Airship. These sneakers didn't just break records, they shattered them, commanding an astronomical $1.47 million at the auction block. But they signify so much more than a jaw-dropping price tag. They're a testament to the indomitable passion that binds sneaker collectors across the globe. The journey of these sneakers, from the hardware courts to the auction floor, is a testament to their significance in the world of sports and fashion. Worn by the legendary Michael Jordan during his early career, these shoes carry the weight of his legacy on and off the court. The staggering sum they fetched is a tribute to the enduring impact of Jordan's legacy and the fervent devotion of collectors who recognize these sneakers as a tangible price of basketball history. These sneakers aren't merely footwear. They encapsulate the spirit of an era, a moment frozen in time, when Michael Jordan rose to become an icon. They are a bridge that connects generations, a symbol of the shared enthusiasm that unites collectors, fans, and aficionados. As these sneakers found their new home for a record-breaking price, they solidified their place not just in sneaker history, but in the hearts of those who cherish the artistry, craftsmanship, and legacy they represent. Time to switch gears and talk about a man who's redefined music and fashion: Kanye West. The Nike Air Yeezy 1 prototype marked the beginning of a sneaker revolution. Worn by West himself during his iconic Grammy performance, these kicks are valued at the jaw-dropping $1.8 million. They're not just shoes. They're a testament to a cultural shift in style. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for a grand reveal that's bound to leave you in awe. The crowning jewel of sneaker extravagance: the solid gold OVO X Air Jordans. Brace yourselves as we witness the dazzling intersection of two iconic forces: rapper Drake and the revered Jordan brand. Whenever such titans meet, you can be sure that something truly exceptional is on the horizon. But these aren't just sneakers. They're an audacious proclamation of opulence that refuses to be overlooked. Imagine stepping into a pair of sneakers crafted from pure, solid 24-karat gold. Each step radiating luxury and style that's nothing short of extraordinary. Priced at an astonishing $2 million, these kicks embody the zenith of lavish living. These aren't merely shoes. They're a fusion of artistry, status, and unapologetic extravagance, a testimony to the audacious spirit of the fashion world. These solid gold OVO X Air Jordans dare you to stand out, be unforgettable, and embrace the allure of true luxury. So, as we roll out the golden carpet of awe-inspiring footwear, remember, it's not just about wearing sneakers. It's about wearing a testament that defines a lifestyle. So there you have it, folks. The pinnacle of sneaker splendor, where footwear transforms into a testament of style, history, and indulgence. We've journeyed through the most expensive sneakers, and with each step, we've discovered that these aren't just shoes. They're a gateway to a world of luxury. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping extravagance. And remember, it's not just about the shoes. It's about the journey of luxury.